Hello, kids! How are you today? I hope you are feeling great. Welcome to the world of mathematics. I am Teacher Paul, your grade 4 mathematics teacher. To my dear little mathematicians and pupils, our lesson for the day, rounding decimals to the nearest whole numbers and tens. But before that, let us remember, after going this lesson, you are expected to round decimal numbers to the nearest whole numbers and tens. Read and write decimal numbers through whole numbers and tens. Appreciate the importance of reading and writing decimal numbers. I know you are so excited to start with our new lesson, but before that, let's have first a drill. Read and write decimal numbers. Direction. Read the decimal numbers, then write in word to your paper. For example, in decimal 1.03, in words 1 and 3 hundredths. Are you ready? Let's do it! Number 1, 0.48. Number 2, 0.6. Number 3, 0.03. Number 4, 8.5. Number 5, 6.98. Okay, let us check your answer. Number 1, 48 hundredths. Very good. Number 2, 6 tenths. Very good. Number 3, 3 hundredths. Correct. Number 4, 8 and 5 tenths. Very good. And number 5, 6 and 98 hundredths. Very good. Let's have a review with our past lesson. Rounding off to the nearest hundreds and thousands. We have here the given number 7,005, 8,243, 6,947, and 7,253. For number 1, round to the nearest hundreds. The answer is 7,000. Correct. Round to the nearest thousands. The answer is 7,000. Very good. Next, 8,243. Round to the nearest hundreds. Correct. 8,200. How about round to the nearest thousands? 8,000. Correct. Next number, 6,947. Round to the nearest hundreds. Very good. 6,900. And round to the nearest thousands. Correct. The answer is 7,000. Next, 7,253. Round to the nearest hundreds. What is the answer? Very good. 7,300. And round to the nearest thousands. What is the answer? Very good. 7,000. We have first our activity. Activity 1. Round me up and down. Round the following decimal numbers to the nearest whole numbers and tens. Number 1 is done for you. So we have 3.46, 2.26, 5.52, and 6.83. Let us answer first. Round to the nearest whole numbers. We have 3.46. What is the answer? Very good. 3. Next, 2.26. What is the answer? Correct. 2. Another, 5.52. What is the answer? 6. Very good. And the last one, 6.83. What is the answer? Very good. 7. Now, let us round off to the nearest tens. Okay, give me your answer. Very good. 3.50. How about 2.26? Round to the nearest tens. Correct. 2.30. How about 5.52? Round to the nearest tens. 5.50. Very good. And the last number is 6.83. Round to the nearest tens. What is the answer? Very good. 6.80. Strategy 2. True or false? Put check in the correct box. Number 1. 8.63 rounded to the nearest whole number is 8. True or false? Okay, false. Correct. Number 2. 3.25 rounded to the nearest tens is 3.20. True or false? Alright, the answer is false. Number 3. 7.28 is rounded to the nearest tens is 7.30. True or false? Okay, very good. The correct answer is true. Next, number 4. 5.65 is rounded to the nearest whole number is 6. True or false? Okay, correct. The answer is true. Last number. 0.98 is rounded to the nearest tens is 1. True or false? Okay, very good. The correct answer is true. Okay, let us remember this. The rules in rounding decimals. First is to identify the round of place and the digit on it. Then, look at the digit to its right. If it is 5 or greater, add 1 to the digit on the round of place, then drop all the other digit to its right. And if the digit to its right is less than 5, retain the digit on the round of place and drop the rest of the digit to its right. Okay, fill in the blanks to complete the statement. In rounding decimal numbers, first, find the place where rounding is to be done. Next, look at the digit to its right. If the digit is less than 5, blank. If the digit is equal to or greater than 5, blank. Now, complete the statement. Write your answer. Okay, if the digit is less than 5, what are we going to do? Very good. we round down. If the digit is equal to or greater than 5, we round up. Okay, very good. Let's practice what you've learned this morning. Round each decimal numbers to the nearest tens. Number 1, 7.16. Number 2, 7.86. Number 3, 0.29. Number 4, 0.55. And number 5, 0.56. Write your answer on your paper. Okay, for number 1, 7.16. The answer is 7.20. Very good. Number 2, 7.86. The answer is 7.90. Very good. Number 3, 0.29. We round off to the nearest tens. The answer is 0.30. And number 4, 0.55. Round off to the nearest tens. 0.60. Very good. And number 5, 5.54. Round off to the nearest tens. Very good. 5.50. Exercise B. Round each decimal numbers to the nearest whole numbers. Number 1, 7.16. Number 2, 6.86. Number 3, 1.29. Number 4, 4.55. And number 5, 5.54. Answer now. Okay, very good. Number 1 is 7. Number 2, 6.86 is 7. Very good. Number 3, 1.29. Round off to the nearest whole numbers. Very good. Answer is 1. Number 4, 4.55. What is the answer if we round off to the nearest whole numbers? Very good. The answer is 5. And the last one is 5.54. Round off to the nearest whole numbers is, the answer is 6. Okay, good job, kids. Okay, let's have our evaluation. 3 grade 4 pupils have almost same weight. Fill in the blanks with the weight of the pupils being described. Dave got 23.67 kilogram, Nathalie 22.25 kilogram, and Cardo 23.58 kilogram. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is Dave's weight when rounded to the nearest tens? Number 2. What is Nathalie's weight when rounded to whole numbers? Number 3. What is Cardo's weight when rounded to the nearest tens? $23.70. Dave's weight when rounded to the nearest tens. Correct. 22 is Natalie's weight when rounded to the whole numbers. Very good. 23.60 is Cardo's weight when rounded to the nearest tens. Okay, very good. Congratulations, you are doing great. Okay, for our assignment, give the correct answer. Number 1, 2.82 rounded to the nearest whole number is blank. Number 2, 75.86 Read as blank when rounded to the nearest whole numbers. Thanks for listening, kids. Enjoy for another learning of mathematics.